Okay, next section, second to last one, section 7. So this is volume of pyramids and cones. So similar to volume of prisms, volume of pyramids and cones is, you have to find the base area first, okay? Then you use that in this formula where the volume is equal to 1/3 times the base area, so the dark gray here, times the height. So, looking at number 1, we need to find the area of the base of, since this is a rectangular pyramid, we need to find the area of the base. So the base is equal to 10 times 11. Okay, so 110. And then I plug that into this formula. Volume equals 1/3 base times height. So my volume is going to equal 1/3 times 110 times 16. Plug that all into my calculator. Volume equals 586.67 inches cubed. Okay, that's it. So again, you've got to find the area of the base, then take that times 1/3 times the height. Remember, the height on a pyramid is from the point in the middle down to the middle of the base, or down to the base. Okay. So let's look at number 3. Yeah, I want to look at number 3. Okay, I don't have a height, but I have a slant height. Okay, but remember, with pyramids, so here's my height, it goes down to the middle. Right? And it forms a right angle. Okay, that also means it comes down to, well, it comes down to the middle of the square for one thing, since this is a square. Okay, and it makes this little triangle that we can draw here and use to find said height. Okay, since this is from the center to the edge of the square, this is 7 feet. Now I can find my height of this triangle I just made by using my Pythagorean theorem. So I'm just going to do that over here. I'm going to have 7 squared plus h squared equals 25 squared. Okay, so 49 plus h squared equals 625. So then h squared equals 576. Take the square root of both of those, which leaves me with a height of 24. So there's the height of my pyramid. Okay. Now that I have the height, I find the area of the base square and plug it into this formula with the height. On number 4, we're switching it up a little bit with the style. This is a triangular. Oops, number 4. This is a triangular pyramid. Notice how there's my base triangle. Okay. My height is 10 millimeters. The 7.5 millimeters is the height of the base. Okay, so when you find the base of your triangle, you need to make sure that you use, here's your base triangle. You need to make sure you use your formula for the area of a triangle. So 1/2 times the base of it is 12 times the height of that triangle, 7.5. That's going to give you the base area. Once you find that, multiply it by 1/3 and by the height of 10, and you have your volume of that triangular pyramid. If you look at number 5, notice how, let's see, here's your base triangle. There's your base triangle. Okay. In order to find the area of that base triangle, we need the height. Here's my right angle. My height is not given to me. I need to find it. Look about what pieces are given. Think about how you can use your hypotenuse and the base, or one of the legs, sorry, to find the area of that base. Once you find the area, then you're able to find the volume. 6 is similar to 5 as well. Okay, so flip it over. I want to look at cones, and then I'll be done with it. So I want to find the volume of each of these 3 cones. The formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times r squared times h of the height. So all you got to do is identify which values you're given, plug them into your calculator, and solve. So, for instance, on number 7, the volume of this cone is equal to 1/3 pi times 9 squared times 17. That's going to equal 459 pi, which leaves me with a volume of 1,441.99 yards cubed. Oh yeah, make sure you have your units cubed. Don't forget. Units cubed. We're dealing with volume, right? Pay attention to what it gives you here. That is not the radius. Make sure that before you start plugging values into your equation that you have the radius. Okay. I want you to go ahead and try 10. Again, write out what you're given. Write out what you need. Use your formulas. Think about what you need to plug in to which spots. And then also want you to do 11. You can skip 12, so cross off 12. Yeah, I don't want to do it. So I wanted to keep this video short, so I didn't really, go over a whole lot of these, but I think you guys can handle it. So get these done with that exception of number 12, and then we'll have one more section and then we're done.